Download and install the Trustvare PST to EML converter software on your PC. More details check description. Click on Download now. For installation, select the language, and then click on OK. First, read the agreement, and then click on I accept the agreement. Then click on Next button. Select on Create a desktop shortcut. Now click on Next. Now ready to install the software. Tap on Install button. Tap on Finish. Now software is installed. Select type of file to browse. You can import file through folder mode or file mode, or you can select a single separately. Select PST file, click on the Browse button to location from your local storage. After importing, you will get a preview of email data of your file. After checking the files, click on EML option to convert the file. You can filter data according to delivery date and according to subjects. You can also select the output file format. After that, select a location for the output file, and then click on Browse button. After completing all the steps above, click on the Convert Now button.
For any queries, contact us.